Yeah, this is Equinox. I'm here with Bailey, other half of Drumworks, and we're just going through a few of our favourite tunes that we play out and some that we don't, but tunes that we love. Check this one. This is the sounds of Jonny L. Strange Nature. 1996. I had to struggle to remember then. Check this out. Check the Rhodes and the switch up. You can see I used to like this one. It's all crackly. Wicked, I'm going to put it out again. Check the way this tune changes up. It just gets dark.